What aspect of sustainability do your customers prioritize today?
If we currently look at the market of sustainability and ESG reporting, we see that they have been prioritizing this, I think, already for quite a long time. Now, with all the compliance coming in, we see that they are really investing in compliance software, that this is becoming important, especially in the market where we are in, where CSRD is coming into place. We really see this compliance coming up right now, and we really see that customers are investing in that area, and that is their priority, to get their compliance straight. From there, we think they are now improving also underlying processes.
What are 3 key steps to prepare for upcoming ESG compliance deadlines?
If we would need to name 3 steps in order to come to a sustainable and robust way of reporting, what we see right now is that customers are starting with the end point, the end result. And the end result actually is the disclosure that they need to do. So they're looking at the regulations, they do their double materiality assessment, and they find out where they need to report on. If they know that, they have a starting point. So that's actually part 1. They know where they need to go based on their double materiality assessment. From there, they go downwards. So they start to do their gap analysis on, do we have this data? Where can we find this data, and who are involved? And then step 3 is to make sure that they also improve the underlying systems that provide this type of data instead of doing manual entries. So that is how we typically see that this is being addressed. And that's also what we recommend, to really start with that reverse engineering approach, to start with the end in mind.
How do you see the future of the sustainability journey?
Sustainability will be completely integrated into the planning and control cycle. Because in the end, if we want to become more sustainable, we need to include this in every decision that we take. If we make a new plan, if we need to make a new budget, if we need to make a forecast, we do not only include financials in that, we also put in the impact on environment, impact on society, to have a more holistic view. And that is where I see this world going, that it's completely integrated into the planning and control cycle of companies, in order to make it really a steering mechanism integrated with their financials.
How can CCH Tagetik help customers become more sustainable?
In order to become more sustainable, you need to know where your gaps are. And where CCH Tagetik can really help is to really identify those gaps. As already mentioned earlier, we really try to start with that end in mind, knowing where you need to comply to. From there, you also know where actually your gaps are. Not only gaps in data, but also gaps in your sustainability efforts, in your targets. CCH Tagetik can really help to find these gaps and also steer on these gaps, simply because it's a full-fledged platform to store your actuals, not only financial, but also non-financial, including targets, budgets, to have that holistic view both on the financial and the non-financial side.